almost always do. And while he'll signal that punishments for those on benefits who don't take steps to find work may get tougher, detail on that is unlikely to come until the autumn.
The Education Secretary, Gillian Keegan, will tell the Conservative Party conference that she's going to issue new school guidance on mobile phones, that will say pupils in England should only be allowed to use them on the journey to and from school. The Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency is opening extra driving test slots from today to tackle the backlog in people attempting to get their licence. The average waiting time has gone up from 6 weeks to almost 6 months since the pandemic, during which time tests were banned. The DVSA says an extra 150,000 slots will open, and some staff will be redeployed as examiners. England's Deputy Chief Medical Officer has warned that coronavirus will continue to surprise us ahead of what's expected to be a tricky winter for the NHS. Dr. Thomas Wade is encouraging those eligible for free COVID and flu jabs to get vaccinated. Here's Laura Foster.
It's estimated that last winter in England, flu caused more than 14,000 excess deaths, and COVID was responsible for more than 10,000. Dr. Wade is concerned about likely flu rates this year, having linked to the large wave of cases in Australia. He says that COVID is hard to predict because it does not yet behave in a seasonal way like other winter illnesses. Doses of COVID and flu vaccines are being offered for free this autumn to those considered most at risk. Health officials say that the increased protection will help stop people from needing hospital treatment when they fall ill with either disease.
Water companies in England say they're planning to nearly double their spending by 2030. They've submitted proposals to the regulator Ofwat to use £96 billion to fix broken pipes, reduce sewage flowing into rivers, and build 10 new reservoirs. The costs will be passed on to consumers, adding more than £150 to average annual bills by the end of the decade. Ofwat's chief executive, David Black, says they'll consider whether it's a good deal for the public.
We'll be challenging and scrutinising company plans to ensure that costs are efficient and to ensure that they are a good value for money and that companies are able to deliver on their promises to clean up rivers and seas.
One of the most famous concerts of all time, Live Aid, has been turned into a stage musical. The original event was held at Wembley Stadium in 1985 to raise money for famine relief in Ethiopia. Called Just for One Day, the new show at the Old Vic in London has been given the blessing of Live Aid's co-founder, Savant Geldof.
It's not a tricky thing. I wouldn't give anything to do with that. The songs drive the drama a lot. It hinges on individuals and their experience because that was my own.
From RMF FM.
Polacy podzieleni na pół, gdy pada pytanie, czy po wyborach powinien dalej rządzić PiS, czy opozycja. To jest najnowszy sondaż IBRIS dla RMF-FM i Rzeczpospolitej.
Oba scenariusze wciąż możliwe, szczegóły na RMF24.pl i w najnowszym wydaniu Rzeczpospolitej. Do tego sondażu wrócimy w kolejnych faktach, a teraz zapowiedź pierwszego z porannych gości RMF-FM.
Gościem Tomasza Walińskiego w rozmowie o 7. Tu w faktach i w radiu RMF24 będzie europoseł Bartosz Arłukowicz.
Tomasz od rana wyznacza informacyjny puls poranka w naszej stacji w sieci. Tomku, dzień dobry. O co chcesz zapytać Bartosza Arłukowicza?
No porozmawiamy o wrażeniach po Marszu Miliona Serc w Warszawie. Czy to faktycznie było 1 milion osób, czy znacznie mniej? I wreszcie o tym, czy ta liczba ma w ogóle jakieś znaczenie. Zapytam też, czy środowisko Donalda Tuska ma żal do trzeciej drogi, że na tym właśnie marszu się nie pojawili. Porozmawiamy też o planach na ostatnie 2 tygodnie kampanii oraz o planach na ten czas po wyborach, jeśli na przykład opozycja wygra. Zapytam więc, kto będzie premierem, a jaki resort weźmie Bartosz Arłukowicz. Zapraszam o 7.
Drugi dzień października rusza nowy rok akademicki. Z jakim nastawieniem studenci wracają do nauki?
To jest pierwszy dzień, więc jeszcze jest okej.
Tak jak widać, tragicznie. Nie, będzie bardzo miło. Nowa grupa fajnych znajomych, więc myślę, że pozytywnie idę do przodu.
Ja myślę, że będę pozytywnie nastawiony przez pierwszy tydzień, a później będzie jak zwykle.
Służę w Poznaniu reporter RMF-FM Beniamin Piłat.
W kolejnych faktach sprawdzimy, jakie rady mają dla swoich młodszych kolegów ci bardziej doświadczeni studenci.
Radio, muzyka, fakty. RMF-FM. Fakty sportowe RMF-FM. Patryk Serwański. Dzień dobry.
W Ekstraklasie nie ma już niepokonanych.
No jako ostatnia porażka na swoim koncie zapisała Legia Warszawa, serię legionistów przerwała Jagiellonia, wygrała w Białymstoku 2-0.
Na pewno duże gratulacje dla drużyny za to zwycięstwo. Powiedzieliśmy sobie, że wszystko jest możliwe i to było dzisiaj czuć. Duże podziękowania dla kibiców, bo fantastycznie wspierali nas przez cały mecz.
To trener Jagiellonii Adrian Siemieniec. Świetnie spisali ci piłkarze Pogoni Szczecin w prestiżowym spotkaniu. Wygrali u siebie z Lechem Poznań aż 5-0.
Sami sobie zawiniliśmy tak naprawdę i nie ma co teraz gadać tak naprawdę, bo jesteśmy wszyscy wkurzeni, ale najlepszymi przeproszinami będzie kolejny mecz, wygranie kolejnego meczu.
Podsumował na antenie Kanal Plus Sport pomocnik Lecha Radosław Murawski. W innym meczu na pokonania Górnika 3-0. Czesław Michniewicz nie jest już trenerem AHA, który został zwolniony po serii kiepskich wyników. Jego drużyna przegrała 4 ostatnie spotkania. Po 8 kolejkach sezonu z 6 punktami na koncie znajduje się obecnie w strefie spadkowej saudyjskiej ligi. Iga Świątek zameldowała się na korcie w Pekinie. Polka przed chwilą rozpoczęła mecz pierwszej rundy z Hiszpanką Sarą Soribes Tormo, ale to dopiero pierwsze piłki pierwszego grana. Hiszpanka będzie serwować, więc nawet nie ma jeszcze sensu podawać wyniku, szczególnie, że po prostu jeszcze niewiele się wydarzyło. Komplet 2 zwycięstw na koncie naszych siatkarzy. Polacy w Chinach walczą o olimpijską kwalifikację, której zagrali lepiej niż w sobotnim meczu z Belgami, no i pokonali 3-0 reprezentację Bułgarii.
A nasza dyspozycja będzie rosła z każdym meczem. No powiem tak, zawsze jak się coś wygrywa, ciężko jest z powrotem wrócić i ten czas do tego następnego, kolejnego meczu na pewno będzie działał na naszą korzyść.
No a dziś siatkarze przygotowują się do kolejnych wyzwań, kolejnych meczów. Jutro zmierzymy się z Kanadą, która w naszej grupie jako jedyna także ma 2 zwycięstwa na koncie.
Sorry, top podcasts from Apple UK unofficials updates are not available right now. Sorry, Bloomberg opinions updates are not available right now. In weather, in Norththorpe there's a flood alert in effect. The current weather is 12 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 16 degrees and a low of 9 degrees. That's all for now. Wukash, there's nothing on your calendar for the remainder of the day. Today, in Norththorpe, the air pollution level is low, with an air quality index of 2. Currently, in Norththorpe it's 12 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 16 degrees and a low of 9 degrees. Also, there's a flood alert in effect.
Alexa, play Bloomberg.
Launching Bloomberg Europe.
Again, if you're looking for the backbone of the American economy to hold up, this is where you need to look, and it does not look great. Perhaps that's why we continue to see Treasury yields off the mark higher. Also, it does not help that we have all the supply coming to market. Okay, we're going to have a lot of big conversations coming up today. We're going to be speaking to all of them about these big topics. That includes the JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon, who recently was called for rates to go to 7%, that the Fed could go there, and that we are not prepared for that. Of course, Larry Fink also told me 10-year rates are going to go to 5%. Then another U.S. company today, Jose Fernandez, that was the U.S. Undersecretary of State for Economic Growth and Energy. And of course, they are also going to be speaking to UK Chancellor Jeremy Hunt. That will happen in the next show at 7:40 a.m. In the meantime, again, yes, it is a bounce in equity markets. Nasdaq futures up 0.5%. But can it last? Can we climb back from the very bad quarter that we just recently had, the worst quarter since 2022? Good morning from a very foggy London. This is Bloomberg.
Okay, we open, I'm in, long. And let's see if it was too early or...
If you look at this chart that we're fortunately on the rise, it looks really impressive. And then go a little bit further again, it doesn't look too dramatic. And it shows how much further declines can be done if we do have a proper housing problem in the UK. So I think that we should know that last week we started to see sterling kind of really start to suffer, and that bad data comes through in the UK. So it looks like we were very pessimistic UK at the start of the year. We were too pessimistic. I think we got maybe about too optimistic.
Morning, Sanchez. I'm feeling long, I had a limit order there.
Oh no. I'm in short.
No, that's good actually.
At 970.
I was too late
978.
Really nice.
So I don't want to get out.
Don't, because we should go to previous day close.
I was looking at your chart.
We should go to the previous
So
day
I was thinking
close.
because we have a gap. We got a gap.
Yeah, but I will not expect the gap to be closed so easily because everybody waiting for that.
Okay. So I kind of wanted to get out and get in at 941 because of the 15 WMA, but I'm stuck.
Yeah. As you can see, I expecting the price to go to this level. Previous day open, previous day close.
So not much going on in the equities column. We want to talk about the futures.
What was that number? I can't see, that's why. I'm getting old.
870, 860.
Okay. That'd be great.
Come on, give me my TP. Ooh la la, oil. Okay. TP done. Now I can. No, I'm not moving it yet.
So we already got above the WMA on the WMA for the 15 minute. So that's what I usually do, but I was also thinking your number of from your chart.
Okay, the second TP I moved to the 64.
64? No, hombre, I had gotten some micros. That's gonna take all my profit. If we get back to the VWAP. What's the... Okay. 57.50.
Dollar it's dropping, but yeah, we got the 200 moving average in 1 minute before that, before my second TP.
Prove it again. Ugh. So the micros I got in at 7,225.
We still maybe not, we won't maybe cross the 200 moving average, and your trade will be okay. I was need to open the contrarian trade because I was too late for the short. If we done that. Yes, 68 is perfect, there is 50% FIB, and then TP for it, it's here. Today, 156.
Unless I just get out of stone because I just don't want to lose all my profit.
Leave it break even maybe. Don't.
I am at break even. I have set micro plus and I actually got in a mini. The mini that was, now it's at 5.
September, I think it may be Absolutely, because the market has got very fair kind of trends, and some of those things, including the shutdown, aren't necessarily coming through as well.
Yeah, I mean, Friday, some people got quite excited about the fact we saw a little bit of relief on the rate story. We didn't see yields going quite so high. In fact, some people attributed that to some of the PCE data. But, you know, we're back to seeing rising yields today. So are we back to what we were dealing with in September? A sell-off in bonds, in particular at the long end, concern about supply?
Absolutely, and I think it is very much the long end. So I think it's
Prove It Against came out.
when do we get the curve to
Ah, 965.
and I think that's something that still happens in the next month.
So you still think bullish today?
So that's going to be really, really cool.
Yes, I want the price to drop to the previous day close and go up from there.
Okay, let me ask you about Japan, because we've had news from Japanese yields.
Idea is the price to drop here, close the gap, drop to 50% of previous one, because we didn't make any break of structure, so I'm not drawing new fib, and then from here we will go to 155.
So did we touch previous day close already?
No, no, previous day close is here at 61. 861.
861. 861.
Exactly 865. But 861 I've got 50% fib, so this is why I'm thinking we can go there.
Interesting stuff. 149.72 is in trade on dollar yen right now. Remember, you can get up-to-date analysis and insight from Mark and the rest of the market side team. Emma and I can go with the functions you on the turn up. Here's what we're watching out for this weekend. Today at 3 p.m. UK time, we'll get US ISM manufacturing data. Fed Chair Jerome Powell will also take part in a roundtable discussion at 4 p.m. So that's some Fed speak to focus in on later on today from Powell himself. Tomorrow there's an update on US job openings. On Wednesday, that will be a busy day. We'll get US ISM services, so it's manufacturing today, services on Wednesday. OPEC plus holds an industry monitoring
Man,
focus on higher energy prices.
I'm gonna.
Maybe that's it, maybe they won't go any higher. There is 1 minute WMA.
Let's hope. Because I'm at break even everywhere.
I'm hoping the other way.
They already went up 20 points. They went up 20 points already.
But is it going to still be paying relative growth focused on recession watch rather than higher wages and inflation? What could be the most?
Everybody can see the gap and everybody wanna close it, and we will close it today.
You think we'll close it today at New York?
I don't think so earlier.
No.
So
Okay.
everybody waiting for that. And remember days when we had a nice gap on the open, people they shorted, they were so happy and they was holding it. Didn't go the way which we wanted.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure they do push back. I think people are hoping that they're going to push back in and out a little bit. But ultimately, the bond market is doing the tightening for the Fed.
But you know the market structure hasn't printed a bearish trail stop either.
Yeah.
Has not.
No, there is no bearish, no bullish.
No, but there was a bullish there's been bullish on the 3 minute and on the 1 minute. But we haven't had a bearish at all.
Oh, okay, there was one, yeah. We broke it here.
Mm-hmm.
Should challenge the narrative that, even if we get a recession, it'll be mildly short. That's what they always say in every part
recession as well. Doesn't mean it doesn't happen, but I just think there's a massive complacency there that the US economy is still we might avoid a recession, and if we do go into one, it'll be soft. Because generally, as being in economics has been excellent learning, these things are non-linear. So when they start going back, they get really bad really quickly, they start feeding each other in a negative spiral.
Okay, thanks very much to Mark for thoughts so far. We will have plenty of time before good Mark this hour to get his thoughts on the market. Coming up, we're live from the Conservative Party conference in Manchester with UK Chancellor of the Exchequer, Jeremy Hunt. We will bring you that conversation shortly. We've been talking about tax affairs and all sorts so far this weekend. Tax cuts now would be inflationary, one of the lines we've already heard from him elsewhere this morning. We will have our conversation with Jeremy Hunt a little bit later on this morning. Up next, Fed President John Williams says the US Central Bank may be done raising rates. We will get more with Emma Moriarty of CG Asset Management. What is their perspective on the rate story stateside? If you have any questions for our guests, please do get in touch. ID for CD Go for functions used on the Bloomberg terminal. And remember, you can get a lot more on some of the stories we're covering today. Markets today is welcome available to you. Go to the Bloomberg UK website, click through to the blog there, or you can type TLID Go onto the event. This is the
Okay, we start to build the positions here. POC is higher, so we should move higher. And actually POC is at 75.
Bleh.
So I should
Okay,
get
maybe
my
let's
second
just,
TV.
I don't know. I was really thinking. I should have done what I always do, is take a long at the VWAP when it's in the order for a long. I mean at the WMA of the 15 minute.
Yeah, but VWAP, if you will take at the long, the VWAP, you'll take your stop loss. This is why what I done.
I would have taken a long at 42.
Okay.
That's where I usually do at the 15 WMA. I usually take a long.
Yeah, but
When it is in order.
Start Texas we drop to 29, so your 10 points stop loss will be hit if you take at 42. Because we drop to 29.
No. Yeah.
So yeah, this is what I done because I knew it's an open. I put the stop loss just below the storyline. So I was okay. We can reverse here.
And that's what I was looking for to go to the storyline. The 14889.
And it wasn't far away. 1 point away.
Huh?
You was looking for the other storyline, but the white storyline is here at 28, and you was looking for a purple one. Okay.
I don't have a storyline at 28.
You don't have this white one?
The white one I have it at 89.50. No? Let me see.
I've got a 28, the white one. At 89.50 I've got a purple one.
explicit acknowledgement.
Yeah, I have 89.50 and 8.98.
In 4 decades has come to an end, but he sees policymakers keeping them high for some time to bring inflation down. Joining us now is Emma
On the W and the MNQ.
Asset Management. Really nice to have you with us, Emma. And we'll start with your thoughts on the Fed then. So the Fed's really saying that we could be at the top, we could be done with hiking. To Mark's point earlier, how happy do you think the Fed is with rates where they are right now? Are we going to hear a lot of Fed voices coming out this week and saying things designed to move yields, to bring them down a little, or do you think they're happy with where we are?
Yeah, so it's a good question. I mean, earlier last month we had the Fed put out its latest version of the dot plot, and that was sort of saying that the majority of the committee expected one more rate rise in this cycle, but a significant minority thought that there wouldn't be any more rate rises. And that feels normal for this stage in the rate cycle, where we're getting close to the peak rates and risks are a little bit more two-sided. I think what's happened since then is obviously there's been this huge surge in yields in the treasury market, and there are a lot of uncertainties hanging over this economy with very near-term things like the auto workers strike, things like the resumption of student loan payments when the consumer runs out of savings. And so it may be that actually the combination of this tightening of financial conditions and these economic uncertainties end up doing the Fed's job for them.
When do you see the US 2-10 curve return to zero? I think it's at minus 47 basis points at the moment. What level of interest rates will that be for 2-year and 10-year yields? I guess so it would be a full steepening down steepening or some mixture of the two.
So I think it's probably a mixture of the two. I think the first dynamic that we're starting to see is
Quite a huge gap.
the curve. And the reason for that is obviously these very elevated supply pressures that are putting on the curve at the moment. Elevated issuance of the deficit and also the supply coming into the market from QT. I think that's the first stage. The second stage of this is what then happens to the front end of the curve to sort of hit the twos part of the twos tens. And that's a real question of what is the near-term outlook for the US economy. I think there's a huge frown of uncertainty around the outcomes here. You know, it may be that we end up in stagflation, it may be that we end up in recession, but I think if we do end up in a recessionary situation, then that may be the catalyst for the twos part of the curve coming down.
I understand that it's a dynamic situation here, but like what level right now are you thinking will be that crossover point? Will it be like 4.8%? Or do you think it's going to be lower? Do you think 2 years is going to suddenly drop? So where do you think it crosses?
So I think if we were in a situation where the twos part of the curve is suddenly dropping, you know, to get to this sort of point, it'll be the twos.
Okay, two's point. Can I take us to the UK? Because this might maybe is linked to all sorts of our moves that we're seeing in the markets, because it wasn't just treasuries that we focused on last week, we also saw rising yields elsewhere. Is this all a treasuries effect? Are they all just moving on the back of treasuries, or are they UK specific ones?
Well, the UK has a lot of the sort of similar story to what's going on in the treasury market. You know, at the front end of the gilt yield curve, a really table mountain territory. So front end is sort of effectively capped. Long end it also has these supply dynamics.
3 minutes hungry.
The dynamic going on in the UK that is less the case is obviously it is a much smaller market and it's not denominated in the global reserve currency, so we can expect to see a little bit more volatility in the gilt yield curve perhaps than in the treasury.
Which data point are you most interested in? I guess we can get a very good perspective, but I guess US always drives these things. So is it the labor market, or is it inflation? Do you think kind of like we've moved a little bit beyond the filter inflation? We know it's high, we know it's sticky, we're not expecting to see necessarily run away to drop out, not expecting to collapse anymore. So you move a little bit beyond the inflation rate, so it's unemployment? Or is it like some consumer indicators, or is it more the business sector? Where are you kind of really focused on the data side?
Yes, I think it's a good question. There are probably two
So my break even is at 72
in the US that I've been looking
for the micros.
First is obviously the US is still a very supply constrained economy. We see that in the labor market. So to that end, I've been looking to see sort of easily to a level that is more consistent with 2% inflation and again some rise in unemployment most likely. The other thing thing that's been sustaining US GDP growth and what has been
Still is far away.
This big question around at what point does the consumer break? So if we're looking for some evidence in favour of seeing that happen.
And what about corporate bond markets? We've seen spreads quite narrow compared to a lot of people.
So you don't see it going to your number from your chart?
For US corporates, what's your thinking around how
Not,
spreads should be
not yet.
Nope.
Not yet. Firstly, I wanna today test 50% and then go back to 150 and then drop from there. It looks like actually the rejection on FIB was here perfect, so we should hit the TP from that rejection. We will see what happened here at 160 area, 860 area. Today we've got Powell speaking, so be careful.
Who?
Jeremy Powell.
Oh man.
There is a
And this is gonna go up. This is gonna go up so that it can drop.
probably. There is a few members speaking. And today as well they're speaking about FOMC, which is very strange.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, we've got a week of data. Every day something, which is really good.
Later today, we will be speaking in an exclusive conversation with Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan's CEO, of course. This is
Every day FOMC speaking.
taking place in London. So that conversation at 3 p.m. London time, 10 a.m. New York time. Coming up next, only $30 billion separates the total market cap for the London and Paris stock exchanges, as we were just discussing. What does the future hold for UK stocks? We've seen, of course, pressure on luxury stocks over in Paris. We'll discuss the UK, whether it can play catch up with higher oil prices helping, of course, whether the UK is about to regain its crown as the biggest equity market in Europe. We have this conversation from time to time. We'll talk about it, won't forget, in terms of stock market size, but that conversation can actually be this, isn't it?
Okay, there was a nice buy of the gold, but now it's too late for me.
I should have just gotten out at 9:29
Maybe we'll drop and you will not say
or
that.
try. I know. But everything's turning green already. On the
But we are below the mid of the channel, and mid of the channel just dropping now to 69. The good thing for me is I should get my second TP, and only the runner will be left. I'll get my 30 points.
my phone. You know what?
Yes.
I changed it to MQ, and you have the storyline at 28:25. So if I would have had that, I would have gotten that. On MNQ, it's not there.
Okay. Yeah, it's between the tickers. Always you'll get different volume on each ticker. They print in different way. The things. Now they'll be trying to break out.
Welcome back to Markets today. We are half an hour away from the start of cash options trading. Let's get to your headlines. Kicking the can, US futures gain after Congress narrowly averts a disruptive shutdown, keeping the government running until mid-November. The DOJ announces another bond buying operation this week as yields hit.
MNQ is 14,889 and 14,898. That's what I was waiting for because that's what I had. I mean, that's what I saw.
Despite senior economists calling for immediate tax cuts, we're live at the Conservative Party conference with the UK Chancellor Jeremy Hunt. Welcome back to the
Still start Texas, I think in that 64, 70 area it's really maximum. Let's see. We can start the range now. It's not long to the okay, half an hour more to the open.
So we're already in the ring.
No, so far we're trending. You can see that the Frankfurt session is trending.
I'm so disappointed. That I'm not going to get any profit is what I'm worried about.
But you won't have any loss. You should be happy.
Yeah, but it's Apex. Apex is going to take that in consideration anyway.
Yeah.
So it was $1,000. Apex that's a drawdown deal.
Yes, it's taking it straight away. So now already took it out from your. I don't know why you allowed the price to go so much against you. Like with Apex, it's not top take profit trader. You've got drawdown at the end of the day. Apex got it in real time. So each time.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
So you should trail your stop loss. And you use minis or micros?
One mini on each account.
I don't know why. And if it was 1K up, why? I don't know why you didn't trail it.
I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't at my desk. But when I came back, I said, "Oh, still." I was waiting for the storyline, but I didn't have NQ up. Damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't.
That would be nice push up now. Come on.
Yeah, but everything's green already. The pipe from the pullback is green.
Yeah. The 64 as well is.
On my evidence line.
65 or 66 is the middle of the 50%. It's 50% of previous 4-hour candle. So let's see what they showed there.
We're already above we're above the 4-hour candle.
Yes, but it's a 50% of 4-hour candle at 66.
One more point and I'm out.
We have a UK house price data. We started the program talking about that UK house price data. Are you feeling glass half full? September wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be.
so August flat over the course of the month. I think that's not too unexpected because August was a much slower month.
Half a point.
Activity does remain positive. The real question now is rates. At the moment, the rates expectations are being dialed down. That can increase affordability of course for the rest of the year, but the activity will probably remain very subdued. And if there is a recovery, it will be quite slow. But I would say at the moment, everything remains broadly on track with what everyone was expecting to see as rates went up and as rates.
So there's a story on the bill this morning talking about UK stock market cap closing its market cap in France. And I want to get your perspective on this, but I've got a bias because I'm like, UK stock market used to be miles bigger than France. I think about 10 years ago it was about twice as big, or more than twice as big. And it was only this year that France went far ahead. And we seem to be celebrating the fact that France's stock market is now declining more quickly than the UK. It's not really a good news story for the UK, is it? Is it going to, what's going to happen in the future? 10 years from now, is France going to be way bigger?
Well, I think that if you are a real UK stock market nerd and you're watching the news out of London over the course of the last week, it's no
Done.
way, right? The reason this is
Just runner left.
completely out of control of both stock markets, right? So China is weakening a bit, the luxury stocks of power plants higher, and for the UK, it's oil, effectively. There's a lot of factors saying that the UK is a good place to obviously Hungary is a good place to hide. But yeah, there are factors basically completely out of their control which is causing it. And I totally agree with you that, years ago when I started becoming a UK stocks reporter nearly a decade ago, the difference was enormous. So yes, I quite agree.
And with the runner, I will leave it at 6 point stop loss, just below the Frankfurt low.
There's also the question, from the China perspective of miners. There is still a pretty high weighting to miners on the FTSE 100. So if China weakens there, then that pulls on those.
Frankfurt lows 29.50.
Frankfurt low, it's... Yeah. And I got it as 30, so I leave it at 29.50, the stop loss.
Damn it. Then can I just go in long then?
Not now, because we start contrarian candles. So this can change very quick to the downside, or we can go much higher with the contrarian one. So I am happy that I don't need to open anything and I am in a trade. Definitely.
Oh, my heart hurts.
So why open 1 mini, not like 10 or 15 micros? Then you could take a TP as the price is going your way.
It's not going to my way no more.
No, but it was
gonna get taken out
your
of
way.
rotation.
And you open 1 mini.
Yeah, but it's gonna take me out at 72 right now on the micros and 77 on the mini. So I mean, what's the point?
But if you instead of the where you on as apex you open the only mini, if you open like 15 or 20 micros or 15 micros, you will take some profits on the way down, and this way you will
I did that, yeah, right. Okay, I'm gonna blow this account. It's gonna happen there. Because there's no way that I'm gonna make up another grand. I'm gonna be able to get another $1,000. I'll just buy it again anyway. They're 90%. So I'm gonna start I'll just start buying them again.
Okay, everything is rejecting a little bit here.
Welcome back to markets today. 20 minutes until the start of Monday's cash equity session here in Europe. And the futures picture is actually improving at the margins. We're a little more positive than we were. US futures pulling ahead, driven by the fact that we are not going into a shutdown of the US government. So Nasdaq futures and Indies both a little more positive this morning. Perhaps that's lifting.
Don't worry, I just missed the trade on oil and gold as well. Quite upset because it hit my levels. As I wake up today, I was still busy preparation.
Oh my god. I should just close these and just jump in, and what happens happens, because I know I'm gonna blow it. There's no way I'm gonna be able to recover that $2,000. Apex will.
You are $2,000 on drawdown on Apex?
Huh?
You gone to 2,000 drawdown on Apex?
Well, yeah, because I didn't take the $1,500 from that mini.
Yeah,
So there's no way that I'm gonna be able to recover that. They're gonna mark it against me. They already marked it against me, that drawdown auto. So might as well just jump in trade and see if I can recover, and if I don't, I'll just buy them again, because they're only $15 or $40 right now. It's gonna take me out to break even. So the 73 account, that's 73,435, and I took nothing. The 50 accounts are at 50, and I took nothing. So that's what I'm saying, what's the point? I tried minis to recover a loss, and that's the reason behind that. And then I did my regular micros, but that's not gonna cover it. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Apex is there. There's no way I'll keep this account.
I know, but what I don't understand.
They're counting against me.
Yeah, well, what I don't understand.
You know what I mean?
You're just telling me that you took the mini to go against the loss which
to recover a loss,
and use 1K
right.
up. Why you didn't close it?
Because I wasn't at my desk, and when I came over, that's when I logged in with you.
Okay. But then still you recover very nicely. At that time it was like $700 up.
Yeah.
I didn't know it's Apex. I thought so that you're trading your standard thing, and
I didn't get out. Because that's why I asked you. Where do you think? I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, it's okay. I'm just gonna buy them again.
But you should tell me that it's Apex. So it's on Apex straight away. You just closing when you can see it's a rejection of the price at certain area. You closing them. I'm not trading Apex now. I'm not touching it because it gives me a lot of bad habits. Even I saw that there is a sale, but there is they're making money as a machine by doing the sales.
Yeah.
up to 6.7%, a fall of 40%.
Okay, so what will be my upper levels too?
That's what I'm saying. I'll just buy them again. What does that bear thing mean right now on the surge?
That the sale is building, but let's see if we've got the bearish divergent or not. It will be a small retracement or not.
They will understand that the Conservative Party is the party of wealth creation that will mean in the end we have more money for our precious public services.
Well, speaking of the long term, let's talk about interest rates around Manchester. Your predecessor, one-off, George Osborne, Conservative Chancellor, raises the question, how can any foreign investor trust a Conservative promise if the current...
Okay, it's a POC here.
Well, I'm really sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not going to be able to talk extensively about that because we haven't made a formal decision, and at the appropriate time an announcement will be made. But what I will say is that we would always want to invest in our economic infrastructure, but we would expect any chancellor to want to understand why it is that it costs 10 times more to build high-speed rail in this country than it does in France. And so those are the discussions that we're having inside there. Well, I think you're presuming that we're going to decide in one particular way. That decision has not yet been made formally, so I'm afraid you'll have to wait for all those discussions. But you'll have plenty of chance to ask those questions when that decision has been made.
Okay, the other big controversy that's looming over this conference is tax cuts. Many of your colleagues say you can't win an election.
It looks like I will be looking for the shorts.
Your priority when it's affordable are tax cuts for business. Is that still the case?
Well, I'd like to have lots of tax cuts, and I think that we have already cut business taxes when it comes to, for example, business rates. The £13.5 billion package I announced at the Autumn is about an average of a 10% cut. We've introduced
15 minutes to London Open.
for 3 years, most generous capital allowances in the world, introduced in the spring budget. But to answer your question,
Okay, we print some breakouts, accept the NQ.
faster growth and also an end to taxes ever ratcheting higher. That is possible.
I am short on gold.
What I'll be saying this afternoon is if we're going to do that, we have to make it easier for businesses to grow. We have to spend taxpayers' money more efficiently. We need to reform the welfare state. Those are difficult decisions, but they are decisions that Rishi Sunak and I are willing to take because the choice in British politics is between a party that does want to bring down the tax burden and the Labour Party that doesn't.
So you want to bring down the tax burden. How much headroom do you need to deem that it's affordable to pay taxes?
Well, at the moment we don't have that headroom at all. Whatever the cost of a tax cut is, but we don't have that headroom because in fact since the spring budget our debt interest payments have gone up because the markets are pricing long-term debt more expensively than they did. But there's another reason why this isn't the right time for big tax cuts, which is even more significant, which is that there will be inflation. If we put money in people's
On
pockets...
one account I really want to open the short on NQ, but I'm so...
And just at the moment that we're turning the tide on inflation, we wouldn't want to go in the opposite direction.
So in your speech later, we're expecting you to make an announcement on raising...
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You already went up 50 points. Son of a gun.
No, 35, 36.
No, 20. You said it got out of 20.
I got at 34.
It is very significant because it's a pay rise for 2 million of the lowest paid people. That's because we're a government that wants to make work pay. Since 2010, they've increased the minimum legal pay rate by £9,000. And that is one of the reasons why you've seen unemployment come down by 1 million since then. So it's part of a bigger strategy that says we need to make work pay.
Breakout. Now what? Breakout.
This is why I want to open short, but we are too early to open of the London. And still I don't have a confirmation on other stuff. I rather to join this trade a little bit late. instead of taking a loss.
Less than 4%, and that's what my merchant house reforms are trying to do. Now we have got the largest technology sector outside China and the United States. It's a great British success story, but we don't just want these companies to start in Britain, we want them to stay here, and this is part of the way we do that.
Chancellor, you've got a big day ahead. Your speech, thank you for making time for it.
Thank you very much, Lizzie.
Back to you.
Hi DC,
Hey Colton.
how are you?
I'm already done on one account, on my personal account for today.
That's nice, that's nice. Tell me you are in long with me, but I wanna take a short now.
I'm not. I'm flat at the moment, but it was very nice and only scalping with minis.
Yeah, that's good. 806. I just short the gold, but it looked like coming back to me, so I wanna secure only 40 bucks. It was 200 up, but don't have a huge.
Morning, Anna, absolutely. So there's lots going on in the European luxury space today. Firstly, there are some headlines around Bernard Arnault over at LVMH and some potential...
I was too late for the rundown, so I just catch the long.
Oh my god.
Oh yes.
We have a note from Citigroup which upgrades the sector to overweight, saying it's now oversold following recent underperformance.
Paris are tired, bulls are starting, but I think so London will just push a little bit and we dropping.
We will see what's going on. For now, no WMAs. They're staying long.
This is why I wait.
We are at the middle of Sydney. At the middle of Sydney. Ah, we took liquidity from Sydney low. And we're going up, so I don't know about the shorts. We'll see what London does.
My stop
now
loss is at 29.5, so let's see.
Okay. So you caught the bottom though?
Yeah, I had a limit order at 34.
Okay.
I just saw the price dropping, I checked what was the time, I checked the areas where we can go, the limit order and wait.
Close the gap perfectly and then go
Didn't close
up.
the gap. What are you talking?
Same trade which I took this morning, but it reached 40 points in less than 1 hour instead of 2 hours.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice, very nice.
Nicely done, mister, nicely done. We start our job here.
Okay, let me see. Ooh la la. Mr. Volume profile is not lying.
It's here, it's here.
Check this out, this low volume node from yesterday. How beautiful it was. Just have a look.
Son of a gun.
Yep. Very, very
Beautiful,
nice.
right?
That's true. Come on, gold, drop. I think so. I will remove one contract from gold. Yeah. Secure $100 on gold. Now not risking anything because 20 is in profit.
Okay, POC is right here, not touching it.
DC, what I can tell you, as soon as I stop trading Apex, I become to be so risk averted. I hate the risk now. As soon as trade is in a profit, sometimes even before the first TP, and I see that the things they're not going as well as I should be, I going break even or closing it. But Apex always giving you this shit feelings that you need, because you was like 100, 200 up, you need to recover it. I just mentioned,
so you're not doing Apex anymore?
No, it's make me really do the scalping, but really shit scalping. Maybe when after a few weeks or months I will come back to the, as I was earlier, I will start the game, but now I'm happy with Top Step. I've got a few Top Step accounts and happy with those.
Okay. Hey, Matt!
Oh.
There's Matt, everybody. Finally. Not only New York, he's coming to check us out during London also.
Yeah, I had busy mornings since September. And a lot of work stuff. Try to do it as early as possible in the day.
Well, see, that's why you couldn't make money with trading. You were busy with other stuff.
Yeah, that's true. But I'm gonna try to do it in the morning now. Let's see how it goes. Because New York is not best, because then the kids are home from school or coming home from school.
Cannot concentrate, huh?
Yeah.
This week is quite busy with the
news.
Yeah,
because yes, because you are in Europe, so New York starts afternoon for you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 3:30. Right.
Yeah.
They're coming on.
Yeah. You have changed the green. Come on, 2 minutes, 1 minute. What? South Texas is not happy, guys. What did you do? What did you do?
I didn't take profit.
What, you were short?
Yep.
Congratulations.
It's gonna take me out right now, thank you.
Good, you didn't miss anything.
I did, because Apex already deducted the money.
Stupid trailing drawdown. That was... Yeah.
So far.
40 points is ouchie. Ouchie.
Yeah, all of the breakouts, they're not fake outs.
This year are still in that long you mentioned in the chat, or?
Oh, no.
I'm in long.
No, I got out of my last contract at around 960.
That was a huge drop. Right. Quickly going down. Yeah.
Yeah, I have gotten out earlier when I saw some stuff, but I'm still hoping we're gonna have a day like Friday where everything goes up like crazy.
Yeah, now I really looking the price to go up to the 57 as we hit the fib line on Friday. But before that, 50% at 860 area and then go up. So actually I need to change that side.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. Never mind.
Oh, it took my
Try
stop
again.
loss. The gold.
And this session control changed to bearish. So
Well,
it's changing all the time.
well,
Whenever
yes,
we get
because
new numbers.
London is open, so we'll see what's
Okay.
up. Back to the bottom of New York from Friday. Previously, when we reached middle of New York, we started to fail. Let's see now what's going on.
Dollar dropping, oil dropping, we wanna go higher. Let's go.
So did I use all those calculators?
Okay, I can try to short RTY. I mean short on RTY.
RTY is the weakest.
Oh my god.
It's very possible that in just a little over 6 weeks we'll be having the same countdown to a potential shutdown with many of the same issues looming over both the Congress
and YM. I'm not touching MQ
What
now.
also remains to be seen is if that happens, if Kevin McCarthy is still the Speaker of the House. After his deal passed over the weekend with considerable help from Democrats, at least one of the far-right Republicans who has been an opponent of his for months said that he's going to call essentially for a no-confidence.
Okay. For something, not bad. Not bad, but for the open is a little bit low. It should be 6-7 around our ATR. Right?
Yeah. Very, very small.
And we are at the POC, so we should see some more volume coming in. This is kind of slow open then.
That's right. The legislation over the weekend to keep the government open removed an increase in funding for Ukraine, the government that the Democrats had sought. On the other hand, it removed some of the budget cuts that Republicans had sought. That was basically the compromise to get this through the House and
President Biden and his team have said their priority now is making sure some of that additional aid, they've been looking for $24 billion, that some of that aid makes it into legislation very soon. There's already some concerns in Ukraine and Europe about the fact that that was not included in the legislation, keeping the government open.
Okay, look like that dollar is at the bottom. If dollar will start to go up, then we'll go down.
Yes, but if you watch the correlation, dollar is where the dollar? DX, yes. DX is only minus 42. It's not like minus 90 or something like that, so it's not completely inversely correlated. It's
Yeah, but it's doing, I'm not saying all the time doing good job, but most of the time, as we can see, we had this whole run up, dollar was going down, so we need to find the moments at a level where dollar is reversing.
Yes. Okay. This surge, come on, don't start new surge. It means we have to wait a little bit more, Matt, for the long.
Yeah. I was hoping we could get it open.
I know, right? I was watching it, but oh man, surge isn't finished, and then another surge. And this one was a pretty big surge, for almost an hour.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I was thinking I need to get early to catch the Frankfurt. Let's see what a good move starts before even.
Before the Frankfurt, yeah,
we're preparing kids for the school, right? So
cool. Yeah.
Also not the good time.
I wake up today a little bit late as well. So.
Okay, today's not a good day. I quit. I already blew 3 accounts.
Oh man, why?
Trailing.
Because I didn't take coffee.
But even
oh my god.
Yeah, entry for trend trader was around 950.
I'm out. Son of a bitch.
Still dropping, and dollar got continuation of the sale of the breakout, popping and disappearing.
How the hell? Oh my god.
VIX should open with the gap.
I believe this. Oh, new account.
Are you trying to short it?
Me?
No, I'm trying to go long.
Yes, but we are very expensive here already.
Yeah, but that's how it was in the open with Sydney. We were expensive, and all it did was go up and go up and go up. That's
yes,
why I was confused there too.
Yes, but this is new session.
So NQ today is the strongest.
It's not Sydney anymore. We're
yeah,
not
but
in
if you
Kansas.
go back to Sydney, if you go back to Sydney, we were an expensive box, and I kept shorting because it was expensive box, and I lost those trades.
Oh.
And it just kept on going up on there, and I finally recovered, but I didn't take profit. I got taken out of break even, and now, well, I'm just pissed off, and I don't care anymore.
Well, there's the stuff. Because when you are in drawdown on the account, you don't hope for, at least I don't trade to be back in profit. First of all, the first trade is to recover. As soon as I recover, I close it, I take a break.
Even small recovers, like bit by bit. Okay.
Keeps going.
Ooh la la. Koltun is happy. Koltun is happy.
Yeah, not with my RTY.
I'm not rushing into anything.
But I will be
RTY
looking to
kick
short
you out?
it now this year. No, RTY not yet. And YM as well, it's still, YM is about to take me out. But I will be looking shortly to cut off my trade. Actually, I will move my stop loss now to 68. As soon as the cleansers click off, I close in my long and open short.
Well, we could have taken a long after London got out of Frankfurt, but I wasn't watching that. But that was only one micro, so 78 to now it's 90. Well, even if you said 20 points, 20 points with one marker is like $40. Not a big change. Okay, so trailing stop short on the 3-minute got taken out. Trailing stop short on the 5-minute is about to be taken out. And usually that is when the pullback happens. Soon we will have the box. We're at the middle of New York.
I shorting gold again.
I'm watching 15:10. It's the 78% on the daily feed from New York session, or from not the daily session from Friday.
Yeah, it is.
Come on, NQ.
And the Tokyo Sydney Asia session highs.
I traded
the
88 moving the stop loss.
And now we are super expensive.
Yeah, we are there. Let's see what happens.
And we are super extended. And I don't want to start with a short. Come on. You suck.
And the second card is bearish. Why?
We didn't have enough time yet to... No, should be bullish though.
Oh, now changed.
Yeah. No,
me.
didn't change yet.
For me, it changed. Session control and prediction, whichever, so.
Okay.
The high traction is long, overall trend is long.
Ah, yes, it's changed. Finally changed. Come on. Why my one is late? Yeah, it's changed. Now we're bullish.
I'm out of my long DCA.
You closed it?
Yeah.
Very nice, because here is where the pullback will start,
Yes. Yeah. And well, my stop loss, I moved to 88, but I prefer to just close it now. And still my original TP was here at 909, so not worth to risk it.
Yeah.
Pull back to 950 at least.
Just posted the daily chart in the chat room. I will be looking today to see if we can break above 1506.
Okay. Yeah.
Above
1506, yes.
Yeah, even on the left side there is a
Okay, so let's see, mental short at 95, now 2 points in profit, very aggressive.
I was nearly short on 500.
2 TPs from the algo back to back.
But I was looking only for 5 pound as a scalp.
Yeah.
Not there yet. Be patient. But it will happen shortly. Another very
Only
divergent.
5 seconds is... Only the 5 seconds is...
Dollar. Come on.
Good. Mental trade short would be out, so that I don't have any monkeys anymore. Good, it was mental. And now we're gonna just have to wait patiently, like Koltun says. Just
the worst part of the game.
Wait. If you think we are super expensive and don't want to go long, just change your 4-hour volatility to small, and then you will see that super expensive is a little bit higher, so that will make you feel better.
On small? It's lower.
Oh, it's even lower.
Nice rejection
We
from
are
50
even.
feet
We are already in the
on a
super
big
expensive
swing.
on the small.
Ah, we're still in the super expensive. Nah, that sucks. Morning it helped. In the morning it helped. Now it's not helping anymore. Okay.
We're still 10 points too high in the session.
ATR is 5.6, so much better.
My YM trade is $70 up. It's a 2 minis.
Very nice. Ooh, 2 minutes, $70.
But on YM,
Okay.
I wouldn't short here NQ. Okay, Cold, where you got the pivot points? Not today. Pivot points for Cold are... Ooh. Okay, so we need to come back to you. That's nice. That's nice. 5-3. I didn't catch up the oil, but that's okay. Oil dollar going down. Okay, that was a nice rejection from here and weekly as well. That was amazing short on oil. Daily pivot. I'm on -20 now. Ooh la la.
Oh.
So YM already break the structure of the Sydney.
Lower?
Higher.
Okay. Thank you also.
RTY is behind a lot. But MQ it's worth no, it's too late. That was such a nice entry. Disappear. Okay, it's a game. Okay, I trying some small scalp trade on NQ.
Short, right?
Only short.
Yeah, I think there's gonna be this small pullback and it goes up.
They can be pushing like that. This is the where I had the top. So they can be pushing, grabbing the stop loss nicely from everyone.
Including you.
Including me.
Don't let them. Don't give anything back.
I know.
There is also Friday's London session high.
This gap for everyone is so tempted to be filled, and that will happen, but at the New York session. Okay. Not okay. The news from Europe, they was so good. Come on, people. Come on, gold. Like it. Yeah, we are very bullish, bearish divergent after bearish divergent and nothing. Price just going so
We're ignoring it completely.
Yeah.
And surge from Frankfurt still continuing, no stop.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Alexa, stop. Come on, give me my TP. Are you preparing for a move higher now? 2 points away from my first TP. No nie. That's disgusting.
What did I just do? Sandra.
I don't like the price action going break even.
This is Markets Today. We're heading into City of European Trading Day here on the top stories. European indices kick off the quarter in the green, while US futures gain with markets upbeat after Congress reaches a deal to delay a potential shutdown in Washington. The BOJ announces another debt buying operation this week as its
Hello. My break even was filled, so that's okay.
Let's check the markets for you then. Half an hour into the European trading day, and this is what we have. We are stronger across the European equity markets, up by 0.5% on stocks Europe 600 DAX plus futures both a little further this morning. The shutdown narrative lifted in Washington at least until November 17th, adding some respite for US futures, which are going higher. Do we then have to focus in on higher yields, though, which also seems to be a feature of this morning's session? More on that shortly. Let's take a quick look at the sector picture, and this is what we have around sectors. Last time we checked in on this, we weren't getting any great clues as to what was going on in the sector picture anyway. They're all green. I suppose that's a message in itself. Up by 8.1% for retail. Consumer stocks doing well, up by 1.2%. Overall, as I say, modestly stronger across European equity markets this morning. Let's get to the UK Conservative Party conference.
Come on, Ancio. It took my break even, I don't want to go either way.
Obviously. That's what NQ does.
I prefer now for it to go up, not down. Yeah.
Makes you feel better.
Yeah. Otherwise you'll go down, you are like devastated.
Some of the big moves they can make to get economic growth into the system, and we think that that is the future. So I think the move is one of anticipation, hopefully optimism, and we'll see.
No.
On that growth point, Bloomberg understands that the Chancellor's planning to copy Canada's growth front to
My entry was spot on. It's 506. It's 5006. Okay, wait for some red lines. All of the candles are green. Streak 5-15 minutes candles are green.
Yep.
Search finished. This is the start of the pullback.
Finally.
What the heck was why? Lucky I closed it, but there was so many contracts. I closed it in profit as well.
What point do I need to cancel?
One of the controversies looming over this conference is the government's reluctance to commit to the more than
Yeah, this would be my first TP. 1 point away from it. Prove it against.
We're a sector, the financial services sector, that employ 2.5 million people across the country, and 2/3 of those are actually outside of the City of London. But of course it's got to be considered in an affordable way. So, the government have to decide whether it's affordable to continue to do it, but the principle of infrastructure investment is one which I would support very strongly indeed.
And you mentioned green policies. Some of the world's biggest green investors have voiced their bewilderment over what seems to be the watering down on net zero by Ireland Prime Minister. Do you share that dismay?
Look, I don't think the Prime Minister is watching
VIX wanna go higher, dollar too. Let's see if dollar go above 200 or not.
those targets. So I don't see this talking it down. I think this government, and I believe this party, is as committed to the green agenda as they've ever been. But what we do need, and I say this all the time to politicians, is we need continuity and clarity of policy.
So a 15-second heat map was showing the short very nice when I open it. I shouldn't just go break even.
Suggests that actually London's on the cusp of becoming the biggest stock market in Europe again. We lost the crown, of course, to Paris. Does it feel on the ground that we are getting back to that too?
I think we are, and I hope we can, because it's fundamentally important that London is the global financial capital of the world, as far as I'm concerned. But we've seen IPO listings deteriorate over recent years on the London Stock Exchange.
5-minute VIX showing us shorts.
Actually being the thriving capital centre for finance of the entire world.
Where 1 minute all of them showing long.
Prime Minister's making a speech later today. Are you going to be attending?
I'm afraid my diary doesn't allow me to do so, but I will be very interested to hear what she's got to say.
And a pullback.
Oh man, I missed it. I wanted to get in at 1500.
You didn't miss anything. You know,
I wanted to get in at 1500 long.
we're just ranging here, so you didn't miss
With,
anything.
with the mini at least. Since I'm blowing account anyway. And they only cost $20.
If you will be thinking this way, this wouldn't take you anywhere. You cannot think this way, start Texas. This is why they're so cheap, because
I'm gonna try to start off.
Because people they
Start
thinking
off
they're so
fresh.
cheap, and they doing whatever they're doing.
But-
I blow up, I open another one, and if you can imagine, they've got like 20,000 people like that. How much money they're making every hour?
Yeah, they probably made up $200 for me already. Today. So I needed. Which one's this? 27.
Why you try to take the long in a very expensive box?
Yes,
We are very expensive, and you try
1500.
and you try to take a long in a very expensive box, when the new box will be printed in 2.5 hours.
I'm telling you, that's what was happening in Sydney. I was trying to take a short, and we were in very expensive, and it just kept on going up.
I know, but now it's a London, not a Sydney.
I know, but so can you give me an explanation on that? I was trying to follow the rules that minute, and it wasn't working for me.
Okay.
So we're like, it's the same scenario, just a different time at the moment. You know?
Okay.
But because, well, I wanted to get in at 1500. Now I'm gonna just cancel all these that are not working.
Let it rain now. Let it rain. Dollar go above 200. Wanna go higher. Short on gold working nicely. I'm not in NQ because decide to close it.
As part Glasgow new investment vehicle, Adam's investment fund, Pershing Square, has regulatory approval for a new investment vehicle that targets private companies seeking to raise
YM, I like it.
He told the Wall Street Journal.
RTY2, okay.
Lawyers for the French billionaire Bernard Arnault say allegations of possible money laundering are, quote, as absurd as they are unfounded. The Paris Public Prosecutor's Office confirmed the investigation on Friday. According to Le Monde newspaper, the probe is related to
No bearish surge DC yet.
UBS has reached a settlement with Mozambique over Credit Suisse's role in a ship financing scandal.
Nope.
The undisclosed settlement closes a decade-old case which initially saw Credit Suisse financing the construction of a new coastal patrol port and tuna fishing.
Which means bears don't even have that power.
Or
That
they're
kind
just
of
building
power.
it nicely
They
to
don't
drop
even
very heavy.
The deal to avert a US shutdown
okay, yeah.
agencies will keep the government running.
That might happen.
Because when they start doing the surge, it will be too late for us to enter. I'm happy I'm short with YM, RTY and gold.
Now it's starting to surge.
Yeah.
But scalper is already... Ooh!
It's like early entry on the rubber band. He's Koltun went to red. He's crossing the volatility line.
Ah, calving line. Yes.
Yeah, rejected the 7860 feet. The strict candles turn green for me. No, sorry, HCF. Okay. The road is late now.
Some European leaders have been already speaking about the subject. Do you expect ultimately that this funding is secured in the US?
Well, I think that the funding is probably going to be secure, but I'm not sure if it's going to come through this legislative process. What we're seeing really is an even harder pivot away from Ukraine aid amongst some House Republicans. I think skeptics aren't just signing more blank checks. They're actually accusing opponents of pushing an agenda that prioritizes Ukrainian interests over American interests. And I think that the more
Everything is green for me. I'm gonna wait.
budgetary battles, more of that feeling seems to be pushing on inside the Republican Party. So supporters of Ukraine will continue their lobbying. I think that there are ways to get financing. But the critics of assistance this last week really saw two major victories for them. The first is the fact that this continuing resolution excluded $6 billion in funding for Ukraine. And the second is that nearly half the House Republicans voted to take away $300 million from the defense spending bill that would try Ukrainian soldiers and to provide us. That eventually passed, but it didn't garner the support of Republicans initially. So I think the fact also that happened on the heels of Ukrainian President Zelensky's meeting with legislators in Washington just about a week and a half ago, try to shore up U.S. support. The fact that, that's not
Okay, guys, need to catch up with the coworker.
Okay.
Session. I'll catch up later.
Talk to you later.
Cheers.
Okay. Cheers, man.
Hmm? No, no. Can you just go?
To push this funding deal through. What do you think is the future for Kevin McCarthy, given that kind of language at least?
Well, the language certainly is threatening. Personally, I think that McCarthy's position on Speaker is a little safer than many do, and that any motion to vacate that position is unlikely to pass. For one thing, it's hard to objectively look at McCarthy's record of being totally ineffective. I mean, just go up and down the line.
Come on, RTY.
And at the same time, I think no one can say that McCarthy hasn't tried to placate the right-wing members of his conference. You know, McCarthy, to my mind, is maybe a savvier operator than he's often given credit for. You know, the bipartisan compromises he's reached and attempts to find common ground with Democrats don't sit very well with some member of his party. You know, it's a tricky political situation. I think the reality needs to set in that Republicans aren't going to get everything.
Okay, I will close one contract on gold. We keep stalling here now.
Small issue. It's not as though the Freedom Caucus is all rallying around one clear successor. So those reasons, you know, I think McCarthy is going to survive here.
Yeah, really upset. 506 was amazing, and if I wouldn't go break even, just keep my 10 points, I will be sitting in it. But as well, what, we make only 12 points.
Yeah.
It's not like something amazing happened there. So my wire
That's true.
doing better than NQ. 10 points.
The case not only because of this budget deal, but also because of what Republicans have been trying to do on the impeachment front. And so, you know, I think we're just in for a lot of stalemate. What I'm really watching is how these negotiations unfold. If there's any way that Republicans and Democrats can reach an agreement before the 11th hour, again, I'm really skeptical. I think they're really just heading right up until the brink.
Okay, Thomas, thanks so much for joining us. Thomas Beard, Director of the Centre for US Politics at University College London, joining us very kindly from the US at this early hour. Let me get to the European breaking news stories from a macro perspective. We've got Italian PMI just breaking. September manufacturing PMI this year is rising to 46.8 versus 45.4. So just as we saw in the Spanish number a little earlier on, we have a number that is better than previous months' reading. That not doing too much to support the euro. So the euro isn't that strong this year. We're fairly flat against the US dollar. The dollar has been, in retreat against various currencies as a result of this gap threat, but right now we see it flat against the euro. Coming up with the US shutdown no longer imminent.
Oil drop is amazing.
Which we will get this week. That wasn't certain at the end of last week. We'll discuss what to expect. That's next. This is your
Why isn't this going on? Oh my God, Sandra.
We're investing a lot in a lot of different capabilities and features that makes the in-store shopping experience that much easier, that much more compelling, whether it's price check, browsing inventory in the store, so that we can really make that experience as convenient and as simple as possible.
Convenient, simple, that's sort of what people have needed in the age of COVID. Is that here to stay, or do we go back when finally we all hope that the pandemic will be behind us in some way? Do our changing shopping habits go back?
What's really interesting about retail in my 20-plus experience is that convenience never reverts itself. Now, the form of convenience has shifted, whereas, say, in 2000, 2010, a lot of convenience was driven by more stores nearby. Now, stores, in addition to digital, there's nothing closer than the phone and connected.
Since the spring budget, our debt interest payments have gone up because the markets are pricing long-term debt more expensively than they did. But there's another reason why this isn't the right time for big tax cuts, which is even more significant, which is that they would be inflationary. If we put money in people's pockets,
Ooh la
How
la.
is that possible?
RTY and YM. And yes, Onion Q is behind.
Also moving a little bit higher this morning, so lots to focus in on when it comes to the fact that there's no shutdown.
Now I can say that yeah, that was a nice entry because we draw from it. But 15 points and Q is not moving at all. Compared to RTY or YM, and Q is in a standstill. But when NQ will join, that everything will start to drop very fast. Okay, 1 minute WMA, what we will see here. I won't be interested actually to touch anything now, and I believe so. Yeah, I'm done for the morning session. Okay, TP done from YM. Only runner left.
Yep, we took liquidity, we dropped. That's what happened with Sydney also. We took liquidity from the bottom, we went up, and now we're at the POC.
There was an element of relief, I'll have to say, on my desk this morning, just to see that the government and the US is not actually shutting down, and we are actually getting some of this data. And that's not just a flip of comic, because in a world where there's forward guidance, every data point becomes more important. Therefore, if you delay the data, it gives the markets less time to price in.
So I'm gonna close the RTY, yeah.
Before subsequent meetings will appear and so on. So I think it's really important that
Break even on YM.
early, or at least this week, and not
So only one trade left, break even on YM.
I think if you're looking for things like the participation rate, which are ticking up, but it's just about getting to that level where it was before the pandemic. So can that continue, and what does that mean for interest rates going forward?
Okay, yes, and thinking about interest rates, we've got Treasury yields going higher. In particular, I see the 10-year, actually the 10-year, 2-year, 30-year all going higher in terms of yields this morning. And
pushing higher, pushing higher. And you know what's interesting today is that it's not all at the long end of the curve. In fact, it's the front end yield that's coming up a little bit more, which is the opposite of what we really expecting at this kind of point in the hiking cycle.
Okay, we got a breakout.
Behind this.
No, this is on the gold.
You know, before I get into real judgment on whether the steepening trade that we've seen over the last 3 weeks is done, and whether or not we're going to see it steeply coming via the front end of the curve.
Yeah, we've seen the long end doing its bit to move the short end to do it too. German September manufacturing PMI, let's just check in on that. 39.6, the prelim number was 39.8. I mean, we can quibble about where it is versus that prelim number, but it's under 40. These are really weak numbers for manufacturing.
It's a pretty terrible number. You're feeling more and more stagflationary, right? And particularly in Germany, manufacturing.
The breakdown. Where is that at?
Oh no, it's on gold. My mistake.
Oh.
Significant turnaround there. The US still in a much better position than Europe is.
Okay, that's the European manufacturing story then. So just closing out the hour with those German figures. German manufacturing PMI 49.6, and it's a premium reading of 39.8. So we knew it was going to have a verdict outlook, but still very weak numbers coming through from Germany. In terms of manufacturing, we will build up the data picture as Amy says. We'll get that data out to the US this week. We'll get the ISM manufacturing number today. We'll get the services number midweek. We'll get the payrolls number on Friday, crucially. So that will be something for the market to work towards. But we'll also be hearing from a lot of experts today. How happy will Fed speakers be with the way that yields have been moving? Thanks to Eddie Bell from the Markets Live team. More on the markets coming up next. This is Business News.
The markets come down from the financial centers of the world. Bloomberg Markets European close with Dow Jones in London and Alex Steele in New York. Real-time numbers, real-time analysis, weekdays.
Okay, so Frankfurt stopped us for now.
And we got the weekly.
He's a big trader, you know, so negotiating. And so he's on the bus after
Oh my god. Not good at all.
And so it's kind of all come together. My firm, our charity, the fundraising efforts, and then the friends that are my dad and my brother. It's all happening right there as a confluence of all these parts of my life that have found this common center.
Trading stop for buys printing on the 3-minute.
A nice rejection, yeah.
Yeah.
Coming up on today's program, European stocks and US futures gain after Congress narrowly averts a shutdown, keeping the government running until mid-November. The UK Chancellor tells Bloomberg the government does not have headroom for tax cuts, setting up a potential standoff with some senior colleagues. Plus, our exclusive interview this hour with JP Morgan EMEA Chief Executive Officer discussed why the man opened that City of London and technology. Now let's take a look at the European market stocks. Now, this
Okay, few buy signals.
market map, if you look at your areas of
But candles are still red now.
Oh my God.
You see the dollar gone to the 50% previous 4 hours, starts dropping and the price going higher.
Yep.
So there is kind of declaration, not always, not at the same points.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there is.
I like as well how you mark the order blocks on the profile.
What the hell is going? Oh my God.
There is a news. Not like super important one, but in Europe we've got a lot of news today morning. 9 AM. Manufacturing PMI for Europe. Ooh la la. My break even will be gone shortly.
I'm long after that red candle.
Nice,
Let's see.
Wow.
A bit too late for me, but yeah, that was a nice nice one DC. Well, you enter like 90?
87 actually.
Ooh, even better. But the bulls are already tired, bloody hell, and they're starting the search. Maybe that was only reaction to the news. Not touching. My short on YM survive.
What is it supposed to be, 23? Oh man.
And so there's just like there's funny all the compliment, right? I don't know if it's a technical term, CFA level.
Okay, we got the TP signal for longs.
Situation, whether we do see a recession or
What
we
is
just
that?
slow down, the consequences can be very different. That's right. I think we're coming from this kind of situation of really resilience in the first half of the year, which has taken people by surprise after the huge interest rate increases that we've had.
I'm out.
So they're quite clear and stark. We have headwinds coming from the fiscal side, not just because of the shutdown in the gate, but also the repayment of US student loans, which is now kicking in, and that will slow the economy.
Prove it and continuation.
Yeah, I can see that. So we will be breaking the previous low now. Okay, I'm happy I am on YM.
If the story had just been that's it, there's no shutdown, I think we would have had much greater market reaction this morning. It does very much look like they kicked the can down the road situation. We'll just have to see what plays out at the end of this. For now, I think everybody's in a holding pattern. So, Jim, what signals like the result you like at the moment?
So, in the equity market, a couple of interesting things going on.
Just come to the POC of this week.
Still stickier from the European US perspective. The exception has been the UK. And over the course of the
So ES just broke the structure. Oh, it was a previous. Sorry, ES moving so slow, so we didn't go there.
In part because interest rates here
Omenka.
do seem to have falls with a genuine surprise from the BOE. At the same time, oil is ticked up and the FTSE is heavy on oil. And those in combination have helped push down the pound. And you've got foreign earnings that are quite important for the FTSE, more so than most other European markets. So you have all of these coming together that create a favorable wind at the back of the FTSE relative to many other Europeans. And I'd mention one last thing. Don't forget, August and September are historically very poor seasonal months for European markets. October tends to be more neutral. November seems to be quite positive.
I get to make a coffee. I'll be back in a few minutes.
That could in fact just be a setup if we do have a pause in ECB policy at some point because of the inflation outlook. It would be quite interesting at the year end across European markets.
And so I guess no economies are created equal, so we'll talk a little bit more about the UK, but so if you look at a stronger starting point for GDP, what's it mean for a likely recession in the UK?
I think in the UK, right now we are still, again, starting from a strong labour market, so we have to bear that in mind, but there are no signs of weakening. Lately, we are seeing indicators of vacancies which had already been starting to slow, turning more decisively. Unemployment is starting to tick up, so perhaps that sort of pass-through to the economy from interest rate rises is now starting to bite. We're still looking at a winter recession, not a very big one. We think that will be averted, given that improved energy backdrop is there, but it's still certainly a weak spot we think that we're entering into.
And so how do we compare with the rest of Europe?
The rest of the Europe area, I think in particular, is quite affected by the manufacturing sector. We see that in the key economies, and they have really suffered, especially when manufacturing.
Right down to these things. Oh my god.
We're seeing bank lending slowing in the Eurozone, and sort of generally that's a signal that the economy really is in for a much more of a response to the interest rate hikes. So a deep recession again doesn't look likely, but a soft patch certainly yes, in my view. So some countries, Germany, Italy, perhaps in recession, maybe others will escape it. So a sort of muddling through scenario in aggregate is probably the best.
All right, thank you so much. To take from Bloomberg and some of that post-global economists that in the state.
How do I know what number each? How do I know that I can cancel the subscriptions? That I'm canceling the right one?
Just look at the number, account number.
Yeah, it doesn't. It says invoice.
No, in your dashboard, not on the invoice.
Dashboard. I quit. After I lose, I can't anymore. Not like, after I lose that big, I can't. I just keep on losing no matter what. Dashboard. Dashboard. Son of a gun, man. 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have 26, 28, and 29. $84.
Okay, not a lot happening. No new lows, not new highs. You can trade oil from the extension to the extension of the FIB. But that look amazing for oil to go up, and the rest look short like the last week Thursday. The same way we start the morning.
And so I think as people start to see that this is a government that is prepared to take difficult, long-term decisions to make our country more prosperous, they will understand that the Conservative Party is the party of wealth creation that will mean in the end we have more money for our precious public services.
Speaking of the long term, let's look at HSC.
So London giving up all of the money.
Predecessor, one of George Osborne, Conservative Chancellor, raises the question: how can a foreign investor trust a Conservative economist if you can't make certainty on HSC?
Well, I'm really sorry to disappoint you, but I'm not going to be able to talk extensively about that because we haven't made a formal decision.
Now I can regret that I closed my short.
But what I will say is that we will always want to.
Okay, and that is how you do it, South Texas.
What?
I went short, recovered some losses from trying to go long.
I don't know where you
retraced, and now I'm back to zero, and I'm staying away. I went
Yes.
short exactly at after that long didn't work. Well, I called it after the red candle. I went short after the prove it and continuation. They were invalidated. So entry was at 88, and I took almost 15 points. Not even 15, 14 something. And that's all.
And time to walk away from the PC.
Yeah.
I want to leave the short on YM open for the close of the gap. The plus of it YM is not as crazy as NQ, so maybe I'll be lucky.
Susie Hogan, the Chancellor, trying to focus on what is called here, it's the slogan, long-term decisions for a better future, but inevitably the focus is on the short term because a general election is on the horizon.
Bottom of the box. POC is here. Not touching it.
See, but now it's too late for a short.
Oh yeah.
And so that's
Maybe
why
it's not too
today's
late,
just not going to be a good day. I'm just going to keep on jumping in.
but it's not the
27.
right
Then
area to
step
enter.
away.
Oh. Son of a gun! The fuck is that candle? Where is it?
Okay, 50% of the
Long at
retracement.
79.75.
Let's see what they will do
I'm
there.
gonna just put it in it. We're at 79.75. $79.75. I should have just stayed in my short.
Well, the probabilities are for the short for now. But I already took my short. I'm out of it. I'm not thinking of re-entering. But your entry was hot on like always, Koltun.
Don't tell me, I'm just looking at it again.
I thought there was nothing over there. Everything was screaming green, but that is your intuition.
Okay,
Sometimes it works for you, sometimes it works against you.
yeah. If I will keep the stop loss as it was at 10 points, it will survive it nicely. But I was just didn't like the price action there, and this is what's happening. Actually, when you don't like the price action, most of the time it means they want you to close your contracts, and then the drops happening.
Yes. trying to scare you off.
Okay. Now we see possibility of that trade. It would be. I don't think so. We'll drop any lower than that. 129 points. Let's see what the day will bring. I know where I will be looking for longs. But as well, I'm not opening anything now. I will be trying to just catch something and we will be going little bit up, little bit down.
Yeah, well, this is the most bad area to trade at, so
As well,
I might even go do something else, so I'm not tempted.
As well, I just thinking to close maybe even my short from OYM. It's like I am 300 bucks up. Maximum I can take 740 from this trade, so just thinking, is it worth it for me to hold it for another 300 bucks or just losing 3 which is secure? Walk away, just relax before the New York session. 22, okay, I will wait another 10-15 minutes and then I will walk away. How was the weekend DC? Anything interesting?
Our weekend was very good. This time I didn't watch the charts, so it was pretty peaceful.
Nice. No, on a weekend I stopped to. I even switching off all of the PC in the office. Oh, we got a bullish divergent. I'm closing my.
Oh yeah.
Limit order 7750.
I'm not touching the charts over the weekend. The reason why it's mentally I wanna rest.
Yeah. I went out, talked to some people. Just leaving the outside world a little bit.
26. 26. What's 26? So let's see it to 146.
Yeah, that's how they trick you.
Yeah. I close my short on YM. They trick me to that. Well, it's dollar going higher, oil going higher. Ooh la la. So they didn't trick me, good that I closed it. Come on, ATR is 5.5 and the move are what, we done 30 points in hour and a half?
Yeah.
Hour.
So I have 26. 26. 28. 29.
round up of what this means also for the city of London. My interview of the day is probably with Liz Braddock, who's EMEA Chief Executive Officer for JP Morgan, and it'll be really interesting to get his thoughts on technology, of course, on honoring the cash back trade cycles elsewhere, what this means for the UK, and whether there is more of a gap between the UK and also the rest of Europe that's being felt. We'll have plenty more, of course, on the markets. Stocks are rising, bonds are actually falling. As you know, that has also been a broker, but this is Bloomberg.
Tricky buggers. Prove it against...
Oh, Jesus Christ.
We're gonna prove it on...
Well, they want me to go mechanical, and I did mechanical 7750, market structure, everything that I've been doing, and it didn't work.
Star Texas, we told you, the mechanical is not working always. You are in an area where we shouldn't trade now. There is a POC here, there is everything here. Now it's a nice area to open, nice setup to open, but the scalper is already tired. We're printing 1 and 3 minutes trading stop for the bulls, so they won't go up yet.
So when we see it, prove it against, that's when we should go. We should go short or long when we see that prove it against.
Contrarian traders, they will do that, but till you
Not
got
really.
me as a contrarian, I will do that, yeah. But trend trader, you never will go so early. But you got to prove it now. Sorry, it's on everything else except the NQ. It's on ES, YM and RTY. Yeah, dollar got to prove it, break out and fake out and prove it to go lower, so we can start to look for the longs. But to do that, I would like to see the exhausted bears on scalper.
I think what I would call the kind of market as you're seeing some green shoots. You saw the Microsoft acquisition deal is kind of seems to be back on track. The earlier around the Broadcom transaction, the RL IPO, Instacart IPO. You are beginning to see the re-emergence of a curated set of technology offerings. So there are some real drivers at play here too. So if you look at the private equity, venture capital universe, they are sitting on some $2 trillion of firepower, which they are incentivized to deploy. When you look at the secondary pipeline, there's close to about $110 billion of secondary paper. So this is paper where the IPOs already happened a few years ago that is primed for entering the market, and that could be secondary placements. It could go down
The nice thing is look like NQ wanna stay in an expensive area above the 50% of previous 4-hour close. So if they manage to do that, the next 4-hour candle will look really good to be bullish.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
But I just switch on to demo account now. If I wanna open LB demo trades. I got a short entry on the oil.
So I think it's a good kind of just to first an idea and draw kind of broader conclusions is probably not entirely correct. But what London has done in terms of the reforms in terms
Oh, Bitcoin is up. Okay, that's good also.
but really I think there are broader drivers.
Maybe I should just wait for the cryptocurrency to spike up and just withdraw.
If you have.
I have. I invested 95,000 in 22,
Ooh, very nice.
but I haven't touched it because I'm losing right now.
Ah, not very nice.
But as long as I don't pull out, you know.
There's a chance, yes.
Ay, ay, ay. In 5 to 10 years, I'll be a millionaire. That's how I'm continuing to think that.
Yeah, if you tell me that you invest this in 2002, that
Be
will
positive, yes.
Huh?
If you invest this in 2002, that will be different view.
Yeah. No, it was in 22. 21 and 22. Where I threw all my profits from the business into that account. I mean, several cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, right? But
There will be some commissions. No.
I can't believe I still didn't get out of that tour.
Switch off to demo now.
Literally, I would say in the last quarter or maybe 2 quarters, there's been a pickup in RFPs and in Baycox.
So short on oil going well.
In the sponsor Baycox for transactions that they want to bring to the market. So I'd say I wouldn't
First
say
TP will be done.
particular geography, but I would say pretty much every country you're seeing this selective, curated kind of set of offerings coming to the market. You raise a very good
2, 3, 4.
Okay, now it looks better, but it's too late to enter.
Yeah, the bears didn't build anything on the scalper. They didn't show anything.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Let's
3, 4,
see if we get a nice
5,
pullback.
6, 6 attempts.
Hey Colton, by the way, did you manage to fix that Discord problem?
It started to work normally.
Ah, okay, that's nice.
I haven't got the clue to see what happened. I was for a moment worried that I am, you know what, that somebody. No, sorry, it's working normally on a PC, but on a Mac I sharing now from the. I will check how the Mac application working because I'm online on Mac.
I think that the geopolitical instability is not going to go away anytime soon.
And the app, it's loading. Look like will be okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, nice.
Oil, you're doing so well today.
Okay, go.
So I wasn't stopped out. The entry was at 149.7750 because of the market structure. Let's see. 10 micros. Stop is 20 points back. However, market structure wants it at 931, but that's too far for me.
That's right.
The 1 minute has it at 956. So I'll leave it at 20 points back because it's at 958.25. Trial printing right now on the 3 minute.
Yeah, this is what I was saying earlier. It's an entry, but I was waiting really for the bears to build a bit more of the scalper. If that candle close on a high of it, that's really good for your long.
Huh? That not look good? The what?
If that candle close on a high of it, but it didn't, it was really good. Look really good for the long. Now we'll be ranging between between 75 to 92.
Okay, well then I'm gonna put 5 micros at break even and just let 5 run because I don't want to wreck any more money. And I don't want to reset these accounts because I just bought them.
I think so. It's cheaper to buy a new one now than a reset.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I meant I was canceled the other ones and I bought new ones because it's only $20.
DC, you know what I'm doing for like last few days? Waiting for the New York to find the trade and opening 2 contracts to run for 40 points.
What do you mean? Okay, wait.
When
You
I
wait
see-
for the New York and then you.
Wait for the New York. I can wait an hour, 2, 5 hours even sometimes, and I can see the point of the reverse, like that fib line. Because I opened the short, I closed it much too early, so I didn't do anything. Then when it come to my fib line, I opened 3 contracts and I just let them run for 30 points was first CP.
But you play minis. This is the first time I played minis and I didn't do. I mean, I did well, but not really. I'll blow the account because I'm not used to taking profit like that. You know what I mean?
What
I
is
really am not. So I'm
Yes.
used to letting micros run.
What difference can you see between New York session and London session most of the time? What's the difference?
New York is faster.
Yes, so it's mean
It's faster.
it's ATR. So what I mean by that, at London you can have the reverse of the price can retrace to the mean or even below it. It taking much longer, and price was going the other way, so you had the time to make decision if you wanna keep it or not. My fault that I told you just hold it break even, because I thought so that you trading your normal micros or you doing a mini but not on Apex. If I knew it's a mini on Apex, I will tell you straight away to close it.
Yeah, okay. I almost had my TP1.
You put it too far away.
I put it at 1500.
You put it too far away.
Okay, well, I got the buy on RTY.
Let's see, 78, 88, 98. See, I was doing 20. That's why I did 1500. Okay.
Dollar start to print the bearish trading stop, which is good for your long.
Continuation on the 30-second. But it's going down.
And on my other charter, I've got the pre-sell signals. Okay, what is the
3 sell signals on NQ.
ONQ? Yeah, but something. What's this? What's that?
Let's just get out completely and just re-enter. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out completely and just re-enter because
So they didn't lie. It was bearish breakout. I'm happy I'm not touching it here.
seven.
So Texas, leave it, go sleep, because this area is really not the nicest to trade. You can see we done in 10 minutes 10 points, and then we drop in 3 minutes the 10 points.
Real stop for bears on the 3 minutes also started printed. Thank you very much.
No way. On the 3-minute?
Oh yes, way.
Where? I don't see it.
1522.
I don't have it. Oh, but you're probably on MQ.
I am on NQ, yes. What are you
Yeah.
trading?
MNQ.
Ah, okay.
But even at that, I have. Oh no, negative, negative, negative. Okay, I just moved it over to MQ.
I cannot see this here as well.
I don't have a bear print.
Maybe he got slightly different settings.
Okay, yeah, maybe they're different. Okay.
Okay, I will.
Sometimes making me so tempted to go and open a long now on a real account, but I just luckily I put the SIM account, and I reminding myself the price action to take the 10 points taking so long is not worth it. It's really.
Yeah. There you go, guys. I put it in the trade talk chat channel thingy.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. We have different settings.
It's there.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't have it, but that's okay.
Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. Yeah, I put myself at break here. I really don't want to lose anymore. Nothing.
What's happening here now? Unemployment rate for Europe in 9 minutes. Today, half an hour after open of the US, it's IMS manufacturing PMI.
Ah, yes, on Monday they have that. Yeah.
It's a very busy week
usually.
on that data.
Is it red?
It's red, yeah. Every day we've got something red.
Oh.
So today as well, Fed Powell is speaking, it's red, and then at the same time FMOC member speaking, it's in red. It's quite strange that today they're speaking about FMOC, it's two of them.
Koltun, are you sharing the screen? I haven't
Yes.
checked now, but it's not coming on. It's not coming on.
No,
Okay.
it's coming on. I've got Asai sharing.
Okay.
So Texas, can you see my screen?
Yeah, you have the news up.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's only me then. That's good.
I 1 second, I didn't switch it you off this. See? Definitely.
And please turn it on for me also.
No, all okay on your side, on my side for you.
Okay. I thought you blocking me.
No.
So I'm out. I'm gonna put another limit order at 77.50.
It looks like they will be closing.
Because I only have the show for the one.
They will be closing Southern Texas. Remember about the gap. Maybe they want to close it because they're failing to make a higher high. There is only lower highs.
Man, I'm gonna get mad if they close the gap.
Why? We got nice and high, Sydney highs, and then drop start. I will be mad because
they could have closed it earlier before they took me out of my.
They don't
store.
care even a little if you get mad or not.
I know. I'm thinking I'm gonna go short when these lines go all red. Then we're not ranging though. Or long at the VWAP.
We are on a view up now.
What? Oh no, the stop is at 37 and entry is at 76.50. $1,982.25. Yes, we're ranging now. This is the same spot I entered my minis at 72 and at 77 for the short earlier.
Okay.
But I went short because the lines all turned red. That V2 and the 3 V2s on the 32nd.
Yeah.
And the evidence line, they turned red, and that's the reason why I went short. But my 3 minute hasn't turned red yet. It's still green this time around.
This time around is very red. Last
I
time
don't.
it was green.
No, but I went short before coaching got online.
Okay.
I'm
Well,
upset
depends when
because
you
I
went
did.
short. They were red, yes. They
It was
have
around
few.
11 o'clock, I think, maybe, that I went. 11 o'clock my time? Around 11 and
That
midnight?
that
Central
was
Standard Time?
that was 10 or 9. They are not red yet. They are
Now they're red.
maybe. I don't know. Okay. Anyway,
I don't know yet, though. I'm undecisive.
then stay out.
Better, safer.
We're still in the expensive area?
We are, yes.
That's a big difference.
Ooh la la. It's all. In my way, I'm going the way which I wanted, but without me. That's okay.
And Q also.
And Q also, yes. Actually, check it. What will
Yeah.
be up on Q? 37 points.
But you see that Star Texas, he's not chasing anything short.
What is he doing?
Nothing, sitting on my legs.
Staying out.
Sitting on my
Yes.
hands. Sorry.
And legs also.
And legs. Sorry.
And legs also. Otherwise I would have some questions.
Think that way as well.
I think, you know what I think I did last time, to be honest with you? I waited for the price to go back up to the 3 minute V2 premium, and then I think I took the short. I think that's what I did last time.
Okay. You cannot think, just
Check your journal.
check how you enter and make the
I-
notes.
I don't write a journal.
Oh,
So you see.
there you go.
But I believe that's what I did last time. I did. I waited because price usually goes up there. And if it stays red, then I would take the short. I think that's what I did on Friday.
You see, sometimes I didn't write the journal
Because
area as
of-
well, and I start to write it, the reasons, the areas, and what's happening within a day as well, what we expecting, and this helping me to do not take the trades, not to take them, but to do not take the trades.
We have a breakout.
Oh man. I wanted to go short as we left the box, but I thought that is too aggressive.
What box? Oh, London.
Yeah.
I wasn't even looking at that yet.
And
69.
now we'd be 5 points up.
Well, on one account, not on all of them. I went short at 67.25. I'll just focus on one account versus the 10 micro, same deal. Strong, we have a strong print on the 30-second. Strong print on the 1 minute.
Actually, pullback show DC the entry long short at 85.
Yeah. Yeah.
The signal light couldn't even cross the main one.
With the shutdown that has been observed, it is in a back to basics. What will power say to the market today? Yields March high.
50 points from my open.
With the biggest holding loss since 2009. We're now down to a 1 in 3 chance of a hike in November. What will power say?
Man.
Okay, 15-minute WMA.
Are we there yet?
Almost.
9:50.
Excalibur is buried.
So, we are at the area where gold should start to reverse. Breakout at YM. And previous
Come on, you're really not gonna give me an entry.
Candles change red. That's amazing. First one was on
You
YM.
kind of luck today. Sydney was so much better.
There is a lot of the news on small one.
My God.
That's not an excuse to not give me an entry.
DC, I can tell you, I won't be looking for the short. I will be looking for the entry long. We won't close that gap yet. They're just teasing people now.
Yeah,
So
but
you're gonna
we still have a little bit of points until the gap, so I want to catch some.
There's like 100 points to the gap.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Is it?
That's 100 points from Friday.
Yeah.
DC, the gap is
From
here.
open
Have a
today.
look.
From Sydney.
14,900 is the end of the gap.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
is the green extension for the Sydney Tokyo.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. You
That's
are
what I was
correct.
going for today, but
You are correct. When you're correct, you're correct.
Well, I don't think so.
Koltun said it's not going to still rain.
This is why I was in short on YM.
So we hit the,
But let's see.
so we're at the 15-minute. Maybe I should just click on one
You should
account.
listen to Colton. He has the Wall Street on speed dial.
I guess my other problem is too is I'm trying to trade all these accounts at one time, and I'm not doing copy trader. I'm doing just in and out, in and out, in and out. Like get off on this account, go on this account, go on. That's it.
60 points up.
You would be?
I would be.
67. I'm at break even by itself, so I got 20 points. One account.
And we're coming to 50% of Frankfurt. Let's see what happened here.
We have a breakout on the 1 minute.
940. It's a 50% of Frankfurt.
Come on, if you just go for it in a straight line, you sucks so bad.
VIX and dollar just.
Did you get into?
And I suck even more because if I took it, if I would have taken it when you left the box, would be like 30 points up without any stress.
Yeah.
Even more.
Koltun,
Yes,
are you gonna take the long?
I'm not chasing it now.
I'm not chasing.
That's so hard.
I
Not.
will be looking for long, but not yet. I wanna wait now. I think so. I wanna walk away. Actually.
It's called discipline, Sir Texas.
I know. So our trail stop broke on the 1 minute. Not on the 3 minute. On the 3 minute, it's at 36. And entry is at 58.
So have a look why I don't want to go long now. First was the YM, and I should take a short here when the YM start print the. This is the street candle. Yes, street candles. And I won't.
We're also at the green.
I just won't enter because the street candles and higher time frame candles are red, so there is no entry to go long. At least till streak will be short. Grey, sorry.
So if the street candles are white.
Well, now they printing
my street
white.
Candles are.
Yes, now they printing white is mean even better. Do not touch it. Really, no enter here. Because we can go down another 100 points, or we can go up very quick from here.
Well.
Do you remember when I told you in the morning to enter long when we start printing the white candles? Have a look. We stop printing.
Yes.
We stop printing white candles. This was your entry long.
But I was in the short.
Yeah, you need to make the decision sometimes when to cut the trade.
So now I want to enter long. At 50 because of the. Well, let me see if it holds. Are we on the 15 minute? Let me see the 15 minute.
15 minutes is above us. The birds are tired, but this don't mean anything.
$67.
Everything was red from here. Nice. As well, dollar show us the entry. One candle before my entry, dollar show us the entry short.
And we have a fake out on the 1 minute.
It's breakout. It's not. Oh yeah, it's fake out flashing.
Yeah, we have a fake out.
Yeah.
the only market that hasn't done. Let's put it that way. There's a reason I don't do it.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, so you talked about the spending of the government. That's not going away anytime soon. What about the spending of the consumer?
Okay, guys.
We have to prove it against the
Yeah,
second.
no, I will finish now because I don't want to enter here. I just want to keep what I've got.
Okay, Colton.
It's a nice.
See you later in London, yeah?
Yeah, in
Okay.
in New York.
In New York. Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Talk soon, guys.